And him come with a rhythm, no one again name the Shankai Shank.
Yeah.
Run around from man to man. Don't run around from when you are young and in love. Run around woman name.
Yeah. Yeah.
So when we sing that the third song for him, them come as a Triston, he had done the whole of England. Ready gun.
Yeah, the plan.
Triston, you mash up England. I say, yeah, I say, what you say? I say, alright, well, the whole of Jamaica mash up too. But at that time now, some people were sending for me to do a show in England and in America. But at the time now, you have Reggae Sunsplash. So I was saying, alright. No, me go on foreign, go do them show there.
Yeah.
After now, this one day, me do my house and then I say two big man come and say, Mr. Palmer, you can't do no more show, you know. You have to do Reggae Sunsplash first for your country.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, silent nuclear man, Trini boss, Clarendon boss, 414 boss, 306, all the people in England, Canada, USA, Jamaica, Trinidad, Guyana, St. Vincent, everybody big up. No people are watch. Look at the screen in front of you. It's Triston Palmer, the great. Yo, that youth ya, a Jamaica hidden gem dog. That youth ya can sing. Yo, a him help enough man. You understand? My brother here do producing and I do some big things from a long time. And them not talk about him at Jamaica. No artist out there can sing like that youth here. So you see that thing here? That video here? I'm going to play it. I'm dedicated to him. I'm going to play some of his interview there. A brother here is a shy brother, him low key. But all of the artists them, we see them there right now, including Beanie Man. That youth ya. Hear that interview ya.
The first dance Azzy and me and the friends them go was with a song named Black Scorpio. When Azzy give Black Scorpio, then time that dub plate we have to cut it pan. Cause I run a scientist, King Tubby's will cut it, scientists cut it on the dub plate. When we go around here, when we go up on the dance, Scorpio say, I can't play a tune, I don't know any man. So Azzy said to him, say, yo, upon our corner the youth come from, you know. Our corner, you know. So him say, alright, go on a little bit. Then go back to him again and him say, alright, hold on, and put it on. And put him headphone on and list there, say, take it off and say, yo, who sing that song yeah? So Azzy said, that little youth, them say, yeah, mad man, that little youth, yeah. Azzy said, yeah, man. It one, man, but we don't know what going to happen from it today. So Scorpio, you know, introduce it and say, boy, this is a boy from down the road, you know. So Azzy said, Delamere Avenue. And him sing that song, you know, massive, you know, listen it, no, because you can go mash up the place and the man put it on, and we hear, do officer, don't Triston Palmer, now, you know, everybody who know my hear and know who is Triston.
Yeah.
Because the fence them start to kick down now. Fence start beat down and everything and place a mash up. Here comes the police, just stop the dance. Them just come stop the dance, because be a nice American fence and beat down, so them just stop it.
When you hear all the great Triston Palmer song, we say it's such a humble youth, dog. That man is humble. Nah lie. But I nah take up on the time, you know. I want to know, like, share and subscribe. and hit the notification button. And more want to know if you really talk about this and share this because of you too. But now like him should have be the reggae ambassador. That's why I don't understand why I go on to Jamaica. Because Josie Whale get all of distinction. And almost distinction and criminality, but Triston Palmer and youth like Super Cat never get nothing. So, without further ado, I am gonna play the next clip in the interview. Peace.
But what I know Tony Chin now is one day I went to a rehearsal. Tony Chin was playing a band named the Soul Syndicate Band. So when I go up there, I see man like, alright, when I went there, I see man like Dennis Brown,
Yeah.
Big Youth, and quite a few more elders, you know?
They were rehearsing.
Yeah, but the person who really have me was Dennis Brown.
Yes.
Have me, you know? So I saying it to myself, so one day, you know, I will reach somewhere like them Monday, you know. So my dreams was to just touch Dennis Brown and know Dennis Brown.
Yes. Yes.
At the time, as a little youth. Well, so one day I was singing out of my gate with my friend them, and there was a percussion in the Soul Syndicate band. I can't really remember his name. He heard me. He stand there and I was listening to me. So I went up the road now before them have them rehearsal because I always stay out of the gate in a corner, stoop down and listen to them. So the virgin see me and said, Tony, this youth I know, you can sing, you know. So when him said that now, it's like me kind of surprised me. I said, so Tony say, yeah. So Tony said, where you live? I'm say, you live in front of me yard, man. I'm Palmer son. I say, yes. He said, alright. He said, later after rehearsal, I come down the road, I go jam. So I said, jam? He said, yeah. Alright. After the rehearsal, I go over in the yard and I play my guitar. And I sing, stop, can I have a little talk with you? I want you to understand. I want to be your lover, man. Alright? And rehearsing on the guitar and getting some flex and thing, and then after that now, I went and record that song. About 3 songs I record with Tony Chin. And with the help of Fully them help to play the rhythm, you know?
Right.
Yeah. So I record that song and thing, and that song was on the Black Solidarity label.
When you hear how in my talking history with all meet Tony Chin and certain man and them thing, the boy man tell you that youth is a gem in the rough dog, and the man them like him still live at Jamaica and I do them thing and stay out of the limelight and stay out of certain things. Cause the man I hold it down, dog. The man I hold it down. But anyways, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Check out the WhatsApp group, the Patreon page. What else we have? Twitter, Instagram, and we have the join section. And the people that can give me some ideas. Want me to talk about? I talk about the blind girl, and I talk about Camille Lee and Kaka Lee. So yeah. So sit back, hang tight, and enjoy the rest of this exclusive interview with Triston Palmer, the great. Big up Triston from Countryman.
Oh God, first time I meet Dennis Brown, now my joy that, you know, that trust me, I'm not lying. I love Sugar Minor, I love Tony to find body, but I just want to know Dennis Brown. I just want to meet Dennis Emmanuel Brown. So till me finally meet him, that one time I did a show named White River Reggae Bash. Yes, in the 80s. Master Griffiths, John Holt, what do you mean, Alton Ellis, Ken Booth, all of them on the show. So I was a little one where I have about 5 or 6 number one. But these men are giant, so them can make a big water then. Well, at the show, I was there, around the backstage. Me and my mother and my sister them go. I was backstage standing up, waiting for my time. It's either me must open it or the band open it and then me, because these people are giants. These people are veterans with hits after hits after hits.
Yeah.
Well, let's start the show. When I start the show, I take a Master Griffith, then Ken Booth, then so I said, so who them call me? And I'm here. Well, them just call everybody. When now it reach on to the second to last person, them call John Holt. The man with 2,000 volts of volts. When John Holt finish sing the night, the people them tired. So I look at the MC lady and she work on the radio station and said, Mom, Triston Palmer this now, you pass me every minute. When me I go sing, me can't sing after Dennis Brown and John Holt. You mad? All she said to me, Jesus Christ, oh my Lord, what am I gonna do? I did not remember about you. You know what I'm saying? Big man thing. I start crying. Come I feel away, you know, come I say, boy, my mother did that, my sister, you know? Feel away. Here comes a little brethren. Boy, I love that brethren there, man. I don't leave him none at all. I'm a friend, you know? Yes, I'm a friend, my friend. See, I'll come on a bapper come and see me and say, them time I don't know him, you know? I don't know him. And bapper come and say, little chest, want here. And I say, nothing. Ella. And I say, nah, I want you. And I say, I'm good, man. And I say, me name Carl Dawkins, man, want you. And I say, boy, I'm for sing pan the show, you know. Him say, oh, you mean you for sing pan it? You got sing pan it? I said, no, them can't call me for John Holt and everybody tired and all them something. When me can go up, they go do. For move them people here. You mad? The man said, stand up and say, don't move. Because there was like a meeting backstage with all of the artists. And I say, you should call him long time, man. So I'm just go to ask him, tell you something. You call Triston, you know. Him have the number one tune now. Theme tune and number one tune right now. Entertainment. Him and the little boy wonder. And him said, come here. And tell me going to the bathroom. Never forget it. Him hold my collar so and say, yo, you hear me now? You go sing. And you the people I'm waiting for. I hear the little boy. Go to your tune and mash up the place. Now it was a band named Derek Barnett. But when I rehearsed with Derek Barnett, it's like I say, youth, them each tune ya, the whole place like a mash up. But it's because of John Holt and Dennis Brown and them man there. I am nervous because big see this. Say, alright, he said, how are you? Well, face and come. And he said, me, when me tell you to go out there, go out there. So him say, go to Derek Barnett and say something to Derek Barnett. And Derek Barnett laugh and say, when me tell him, say, come, come. But Derek Barnett now is a showman, you know. He's a band, he's a showman. That.
Yeah.
Derek Barnett start put the bass in him neck and him start going somewhere. Boom, boom, boom. So him said, I'm going to tell him I'm going to play 3 AM song them intro. And the 4th one called, bring him on. I'm going to go down the place.
Yeah.
Because the first song you had was split scale. Him say, yes, sir. I say, alright. Said, man, the MC go up and said, talk about the thing, I forget about him. But he's a little boy, one than the pretty, and one bag of talk shatter. Triston, she said, Triston Palmer. Jesus God, I mean, me the crowd lift. I start getting nervous on my foot now, you know, come here, say, eh? So I walk out there, man, and start sing, and Derek Barnett says, Triston, stop, and goes up, and rewind and come again. Hear me now, man, it never good. When we do entertainment and done the place now and come off, it never good. I say, I'm not going back up there now. Thanks to that, I'm not going back. Them call Dennis Brown now and said, come with something. And Dennis Brown go up and start back the entertainment with him and stop it and say, Liquor Tris, come up here. Come up here. I have a number.